I got ILD and some stents also fixed and little diabetes due to Medrol. So what I had to do according?
You need to use foxtail millet and brown top millet more. That means 2 days foxtail millet, 2 days brown top millet.
Okay.
The remaining 3 days each 1 day millet. And the decoctions that you need to follow is bilpatra,
Bilpatra. Okay.
bilpatra, and people,
Ah,
people,
okay.
and honge. Honge is pongemia. What do you call kanaga? But in Hindi it's called kajar. Karanj, karanj.
Acha, okay.
Decoctions you follow, within 6 weeks to 6 months, you will see enormous transformations.
That is decoction means you have to put in water, hot water.
Yeah, just boil water 4 minutes, and then I think you need to be far. Yeah, 4 minutes in boiling water, switch off the stove, close the lid. After 2 minutes, filter it and drink. Don't drink it very hot. Allow it to
Normal.
cool. Yeah,
Okay. Warm water.
warm water, lukewarm.
Thank you.
We have amongst us Mr. Shastri. He just wants to share for a minute.
So namaskaram. So my wife, she's sitting there. She's suffering from. She was suffering from breast cancer. She got mastectomy done, and after that they advised to go for hormone therapy as well as chemotherapy. Chemotherapy. Finally, we fought and said we do not want to take. Then they insisted to go for hormone therapy. She refused both, and then started on this millets. Since now 3 months, 3.5 months, she is 2.5 months exactly. She is doing this, and there is a lot of energy inside. She is feeling very energetic, and she is good now. And that mood swing has also come down. She is fine now. So we hope to see that next when we go for next test. I think that nothing will happen because inside she is able to visualize that, feel that one. So that is one. And only one problem comes whenever we don't get for that brown top millets. If that is not there, is there any other alternative
No,
for
no.
that one?
Actually, the reason I will tell you. Actually, I have been working at this millets for the last 15, 20 years, but it takes more than 2 to 3 years to get a millet out and say just it does this. So the experiments as a scientist, we need to grow to 2 to 3 generations and then cure at least 100 people, 100 patients. Without that, I cannot say that it is happened. So it's so I as a single-handedly, of course, with my daughter, in the last 15, 20 years, the patients who come to us, we need to feed them, convince them, let them eat, and then find the result, and then only enter into that data. So we have been working out with one millet after the other. So adding, slowly we have actually got the brown top millet very recently. In the last 3, 4 years only, we have got it into the list. So the amount of brown top grown in the farmers, and my job is not just proving that it is working. I have to go back and then give it to the farmers and make them grow and then make everything happen at every level. So it's a huge cycle of events that has to happen, and I have to convince not one person or two persons. Just to making people to eat is very easy because you are sick, you want to eat, you will eat. But then to go to the farmer and say you grow it, because he has to get money. He cannot simply say, oh, because you are asking, I will grow. So I have to make arrangements to buy that back and make it into rice, and then, all this system to happen. So the brown top is the recent one, sir. But in the last 2, 3 years now, the whole Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Telangana, so I have to travel to people, give them the seeds, make them grow, teach them how to grow. A lot of these issues are there. Slowly and steadily now we are finding the amount of tonnage has to increase. And now actually the whole world, Karnataka is the #1 state which grows maximum amount of millets. And brown top is now reaching the levels. Earlier it used to be very costly millet because there was no material available. Now everyone is growing, and the last season we have had bumper crops of brown top millet. In the next coming seasons, you will have lot of it. Yeah, among the four you can keep rotating, but then each one has its place in our health. But now you can get, and Surya has the contact, you can bring brown top, no problem. Now, and the rates also have come down. Earlier it was 500, now it is 200 or 250, whatever. I don't know the price system. But in Mysuru and Bangalore, there are a lot of people who can supply. And one of them actually happens. My son-in-law has also joined. He was in some Dubai, or I don't know where he was, Sharjah or Dubai, I don't remember. He was an environmental engineer. 3-4 years he was there. He has some company and all. So recently he also has stopped and come back, and he is investing his time in making the farmers the mixes, how to make rice and all that kinds of things. He just started 6 to 8 months back, and we are also trying to make oils, because oils are very important for everyone's health, and pure good Niger seed oil, coconut oil, groundnut oil, and that too we want it to be bull driven only. Machines will spoil the oil. So if you have cold pressed machines, all that are all bogus things. We want to really produce the real thing. So we want each and every village to start doing this. In fact, Maharashtra, I just had some research done. You were producing the best oils in the world. Actually, Maharashtra was producing the best Ghana oils. Just as like 1930, 1940s, that's when you started closing down. Because it is Maharashtra which became very industrial in India also. I mean, you have got the both credits. First credit to had the best, now you have the worst. That is the reality. Because you are leading the country in making bad things happen, like 24/7. Huh? That is a very bad thing to happen actually. Liquor is going to kill us. It's killed a lot of things, and you all should protest. Should protest. No one is protesting. You should protest. What nonsense. Liquor bars opening 24/7. At least in the daytime, let them close. No, logical, isn't it? You should do that.
One more question from you.
Good noon, sir. I'm Dr. Deshpande from Pune.
Sir.
I'm working as a professor in Ayurved College. But since 13 March of 2019, I'm suffering from pancytopenia. I'm taking Ayurvedic medicines and homeopathic medicines. I'm standstill, but counts are not increasing. Any specific diet you will suggest?
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Thank you, sir.
Brown top millet.
Excuse me, sir. Yeah. Actually, doctor suggests us to go for the bone marrow. Huh? But we
No.
didn't do anything.
Your voice, don't do that. That's not going to help anyone. Absolutely. Excellent, sir. That's a good thing. First thing you want to do is eat kodo millet 3 days, and the remaining 4 days each one millet. And parijata, that is Nyctanthus arbor tristis. That is the kashayam which will help you a lot, along with papaya leaves and gongura, that is called sour spinach.
Ambadi.
Ambadi. Ambadi. Yeah, Ambadi is very good for your problem. So make kashayams alternate weeks, and with this alone, and please go for Ambali for 10 to 12 weeks without missing. And everyone, whether you are healthy or not healthy, every day at least 1 cup of Ambali. Whatever millets you are eating, make Ambali and feed your babies. Baby, I mean, after 9 months, you can give this millets Ambali to babies. But be careful that tying, and very cleanly you have to make hygienic Ambali. Many people have the habit of whatever is left behind, you make wish and pour water and leave it. That also becomes Ambali. But that's not the real Ambali, because it is invited all other microbes also. So it can go bad. Whereas if you make like this, what I told, soak in the night, cook in the morning, as it cools, tie it. Don't touch with your hands or anything. Tie it and then wait for 5 to 6 hours. And that is the khamir, the good one. You have this on a regular basis, at least daily once, if not daily once, 3 times in a week at least. And I for one, actually, that is like continuously for us every day, at least once, one tumbler of Kamir will see you through all problems. No corona disease, no problem. I can go to China and come back without any problem. Which we have done many times. Like this.
After doing bone marrow and bone biopsy, a hematologist says that everything is manufactured in bone marrow, but
Yes.
not coming in the circulation.
Absolutely. You do this, it will be eliminated. If not in 2 years, 3.5 years. Generally, there need to be 7 or 8 cycles
Yeah.
for the whole. Bone marrow itself has to be replaced.
Yeah.
See, bone marrow replaces blood in 3.5 months. It takes 3.5 years for the bone marrow to be replaced.
Okay.
So, each part has got particular period of replacement, regeneration.
Okay.
So, for bone marrow, it is the 3.5 years.
Okay.
So, please do this and you will have no problems whatsoever and you will start losing weight to start with. Especially, Kodo millet makes you lose weight. It is Mahavira, our Jain Tirthankara. It's called Sallekhana Vrata. If you know the Jain history, they want to pledge their body to be taken by God. They first to do is Sallekhana Vrata, it is called. They start leaving things. They leave everything, but not Kodo millet. So they have Kodo millet porridge, morning cooked in the night. Like that, they will follow for 6 weeks to 6 months. And what happens is they start losing the bad fat in the body. And they will be still healthy. In fact, they walk and walk and walk. In fact, they walk the whole day and they are not tired. And that's what this, because that's where the bone marrow that cleans and makes everything happen. So for you, the best is Kodo millet for 3 days, the remaining 1 day each. Why should I eat? If Kodo is good for me, I will eat only Kodo. What happens then? You are not cleaning your kidneys, you are not cleaning your lungs, you are not cleaning your bones. So that's why you need all these 5. And in fact, now I am actually working on one more grain which I have got. In fact, if you come now to Kadu Krushi, Jungle Krushi, you will see that new grain growing in our plot right now, actually. Again, it will take another 1 or 2 years for me to do all this work. So if many groups of scientists are involved, we could actually discover more grains that are already there. But we need to do this. Systematically, the work has to be done. And it takes time. And people have to be convinced that they have to spend time in doing research in this kind of grains and the leaves that I have been talking. In fact, all the decoctions that I have listed have been tested on real patients. And then after they getting well, minimum of 100 patients have to get well if I have to put it in the table. And there are some rare diseases like DMD, your kind of disease. Yes, all these, you don't get enough number of patients. So that DMD, I have had more than 15 patients reporting well, only then I have put it on the list. Multiple sclerosis, MND, all these very bad diseases also are being very well helped because the theory is that we are not touching the disease, we are making ourselves healthy. So the disease disappears. That is the point. So we regenerate ourselves in a healthy fashion, and that is the explanation. Because people want explanations. This is the explanation.
There are.
Bhakri, roti, rice, everything of
You can
Kodo.
make everything, but daily give him 1 tumbler of ambali. Without that, don't give him food. Ambali is
Almost,
khamir.
1 second.
Khamir. Porridge,
1 second.
fermented porridge.
There are more than 41 type of diseases which has been recorded and it is on the available on the website. And we are also giving the printouts of the protocols which sir just showed just now. And it will be distributed after this Q&A.
Teluga meeru.
The nutrition chart also will be available for printouts will be available. So please do not ask about the nutritional aspects and the common diseases. The very diseases which are very unique or very, I mean, you can say very rare, she can help you. And I request everybody to be seated in their places. We'll come to you, sir. We'll come to you, and whenever we come to you, we will please ask. Okay? Please.
Hi, there's a small announcement. I think a lot of people are asking when is the next Jungle Krishi program and when is the next Sirijivan program. So I just want to make a small announcement. Sirijivan program in Mumbai, the 3-day workshop is planned between Feb 28th and March 1st. Whoever, Dr. Sarla ma'am would be here, and we'll be, conducting a program where we'll talk about this much more in detail. We'll be eating millets, and we'll be living that lifestyle. So whoever is interested can come down and give your name here. Yeah.
After the Q&A, don't rush now.
Yeah.
After the Q&A, make your registrations here. Yeah,
Right.
ma'am, you have one more question.
And the Jungle Krishi program is scheduled between Feb 14th and 15th. Again, whoever is interested, they can come down and give the name here. Right? Thanks.
Sir, my son is 2 years, 10 months old. I've given him all the damn vaccinations till now. So now what is the protocol which I need to follow for detoxification?
Yeah. Very simple, Amma. There are 7 kashayams. Garika. In Telugu films?
Because I tried a lot, throughout the Google and everything to find out what is the way to detoxify the
Yeah.
body.
There are
But
7 leaves along with kodo millet. Kodo millet 3 days remaining, because it is through the blood you clean up all the vaccines.
So kudo millet for 3 days?
3
and
days
rest of the
remaining
millets
each one day.
Okay.
And ambali is 1 tumbler every day you give your baby. You can give it with sweet or Bermuda grass, basil,
Okay.
heart-leaved, this is called Tinospora. It's called Amruta Balli in Sanskrit. And stonewood apple, bilpatre, agale, and pongemia, that is karanjira,
Yeah.
karanj, and neem and people.
Okay.
These 7 leaves, each 4 days. First 4 days, Bermuda grass. Next 4 days, tulasi. Next 4 days. 28 days you go through, you are done. And don't give him any more vaccinations
Yes,
in
which-
life. You don't
yes.
need it. And this cycle, once in 2 years if you go through, you will have no problem with any virus. No corona, no junka, nothing. Even if some new varieties of viruses come, you will still be safe.
Thank you
So if you go through this for your kid 4 times, almost 15 to 20 years, he will have no problem.
Okay.
So every 2 years, and many people now in Andhra and Telangana and Karnataka go through every year
Okay.
for 6 to 7 years. In fact, it's become now actually, all people love it. The kids love it. They want kashayam.
Okay.
They want kashayam. Just like that they come and we want kashayam. So many people are now growing in their terrace gardens these things and then drinking.
Okay. And so second thing is my mother-in-law is 65 years old. She is suffering from diabetes. Her heart working is only 15%, and also she has weak lungs. So actually we have the different protocols for different things. So what exactly the
No,
combination?
you follow for weak lungs.
Weak
And all
lungs.
other diseases will get all right, because it is the lungs that provide the breath. So
Okay.
if they become, then she will get into pneumonia and that kind of water coming, pleurisy
Yeah,
and
yeah.
all. So what you have to decide when you have 5 diseases, say I have BP, I have diabetes, I have thyroid. So you have to use your common sense and see which is the most underlying.
Okay.
So you have thyroid, BP and diabetes. You go for thyroid because it is the hormone balance. Once you take care of that, all the others will follow in place. So you in your case, your mother-in-law or mother,
Yeah.
you have to go for weak
Weak
lungs. So in the list,
Yeah,
check
I can
for
check weak lungs.
lungs
Lungs
or
problem.
TB or asthma, all are the same. So 3-4 diseases will be mentioned sometimes because lungs related. Even lung cancer you could get rid of with that particular protocol.
Yes. Thank you so
And
much.
diabetes also will get all right.
Okay.
And once you feel good with lungs, then if there is some little bit of diabetes left, then you can shift to diabetes.
Okay.
Generally 6 months, all that it takes for any disease to become less, and then you start feeling comfortable. Within 2 years, almost all the diseases disappear from your body. 2 to 3 years max, including cancer, everything.
Thank you so much, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Uh,
Yeah,
yes.
someone has actually got some copies also. But everything is there at your fingertips. Srijivan.org.
Sir,
Go.
yes, my sister donated a kidney in 2007, but now her creatine is 3.5.
Yes.
And she is following millet's diet from last 3 months. So I want to understand how much salt intake she can take. The doctor
Salt-
is restricted.
No. They restrict lot
Sodium.
of things. Yeah, you need not completely avoid salt. You can actually take whatever you are eating. She can eat half the salt without any problem.
Okay, and how much time does it take to reflect the
Generally,
creatine?
it depends on the condition.
In the report.
Yeah, people are already on dialysis. It takes 6 months to 1 year. If you are not gone to dialysis, 3 to 4 months starts coming down.
Okay, and sir, in your protocol, we have very less on the autoimmune diseases. Like there is no.
No, HIV is there.
No,
SLE,
like autoimmune hepatitis.
SLE is autoimmune disease. HIV is autoimmune disease.
So
You
we-
follow those.
Same for the autoimmune hepatitis also.
Yes.
Thank you, sir.
I am scientific officer from BARC. So I have one rare problem is there. There is a tumor called hemangioma. So it is behind the retina. Because of that, it leaks the fluid, and it detaches the retina and also fills the fluid. Because of that, my vision is very less. Now it is 6/36. So I have done 3 times PDT also for that. Latest I have done just in December. Third PDT was done, but vision is still not improving.
Yeah, please. There is a in the cancer list. It's called brain. Just written brain, and there is a protocol. You follow that, and basically there is a decoction called Ruta graveolens. It's called Sada Paku in Telugu. I don't know what language it is. Gujarati. Yeah. You just type RUTA. In Google. You will get a wonderful plant with beautiful yellow flowers. And it is very famous in many cultures. If that plant is there, you will never get mosquitoes, snakes, everything. It's called Nagadali in Sanskrit. It's an ancient herb. So you take that decoction, the tumors start disappearing in a matter of 2 years. But along with it, we have got a list of things, the decoctions. So you follow that. In fact, I have had a case of brain tumor. The person, that's actually a girl, Muslim girl, same problem. She used to see people in 3 or 4 because of the tumor. And they said the retina is falling apart and things like that. And they did chemotherapy, all that. But after 2-3 weeks, again she started seeing 3 or 4 people, and it's a matter of time you lose your eyesight. And then she started following this. She was actually 24-year-old Muslim girl. And of course, it was difficult for me to convince them not to eat meat and eggs and this and that stuff, but it somehow managed. Within 6 weeks, she started seeing one image. And then 6 months later, they checked up. The tumor did not disappear. What actually happened was the tumor first got displaced to a different part so that the nerve is not being affected. And then now, it's been 3 years, the tumor is completely gone. So what I am trying to communicate is, it is not that you are going to see the tumor going away immediately, because it has taken long time for it to form. It will take long time. But functionally, the body is trying to help you by adjusting things. So that kind of beautiful things happen. And that's what I am trying to communicate to you. So please start, and things will not improve like this. It's not, of course, I call it millet magic, because nothing can be done, we can do something. And if not in 6 months, 3 years, you are going to be all right. You see, when there is no hope, there is no way out, you can be all right in 3 years is the biggest thing that you can talk about, isn't it? So we have had blood cancer patients, we have had lung cancer patients, we have had bone cancer. In fact, I will tell you because you talked about bone cancer. Young computer scientist, Bangalore software engineer, he's from a village actually. He managed to get engineering college seat, 21 years. He joined this Tata consultancies in Bangalore. Then he had a problem with the mandible, this jaw. It started not able to move because the bone started growing. They said it's bone cancer. So they, to the extent they had to put a tube and feed because he's not able to do that. So they said again chemotherapy, operation and all. His mother, single mother, she was actually near the village where I had my land. So she came and asked me, I said bring him, and then she followed bone cancer protocol. Within 3 weeks, he was able to move his, and cancer didn't go away. But the first thing has to happen is he has to eat. So there is some adjustment. I don't know how these things happen. I mean, I cannot explain these things because the system does that. What we did is the right atmosphere, provide the right food, and actually basically the microbes start doing what is required. And he took more than 8 months to completely get free. And now he has a baby. It's been 4.5 years. And they cook and eat only this. And he had absolutely no problem. Even once he has not gone to doctor. And he has not come to me also. Just this Sankranti, he has brought his kid. And he wanted blessings. That's all. It's been 4.5 years I saw him. I saw him now. So these things happen if we follow natural stuff. It hardly matters. Benign tumor, cancerous tumor, these are all names. See, the problem is there. Whether it is cancerous or benign, you are still having trouble. Yeah. So I don't see calling it cancer or benign. See, now actually while walking, I twisted my ankle. Okay? Now the ligament is torn. Whether it is due to cancerous growth or not, I cannot walk properly. So that has to be healed. That's all that matters for me. Whether it is cancerous healing or normal, regular impact of injury, it doesn't matter. But if I am on millet, it test takes only 3 weeks, not 3 months. So in fact, day before yesterday it has happened. I am standing. I have no pain. But then when I sit for a long time and get up, for a few minutes, it takes these things happen. But then it just happens in the go. When you are eating millets, nothing bothers you. And whether it is cancer or no cancer, I don't discriminate. So don't be scared if the word cancer is used. It's also one of the conditions, absolutely. And that fearlessness should be in each and every human being. See, everything is a disease. These guys are naming it. That's all. It takes, for some it takes 3 months, for some it takes 3 years.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. So myself, Dr. Atul, coming from Gujarat. I'm homeopath.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but today's 26th January. First of all, I'll call you to be as a Bhagat Singh for this medical industry. Sir, my question is, because I belongs to Gujarat, and there are some trust peoples, they are giving raw food, means raw vegetables, raw, everything raw. They don't allow to eat any grains as such, and they keep the patients on the raw things for months together and they get well. So is it worth to eat the raw things, raw vegetables, raw foods, everything raw?
No, if you are a sick person, but you have to be very careful producing that raw food. Raw food has to be done very organically. You can get out of sickness, but you cannot become healthy with raw food. You have to have the real food to become completely healthy. So, and you cannot produce raw vegetables and all enough for the human race. It's only through grains you get the real food. You understand that? So, if I have some sickness, there are various kinds of becoming better, removing the sickness. But to become healthy, this is the only way, according to me. So, as I explained to you, how much vegetables can you eat to sustain? You have to eat minimum of 6 kilos to give you the energy that requires to go through the whole day. So you cannot say, I will eat raw vegetables and then work. You cannot work. You can get out of sickness, but not complete working conditions. It's very difficult. You need energy. That energy can be provided only through carbohydrate metabolism. Our digestive tract is made for that. So we have to have the real food.
Regarding the cooking queries, we have a cooking workshop right after this Q&A and after the lunch. So any cooking queries may be held back till 2:33. So don't ask any about cooking queries. We have someone who can share something here. Meenakshi will share something here.
Namaskaram, sir. And I want to share something that because of sir, I've changed my whole body. Means, I think I want to say that my whole body should be a disease as well. It's totally damaged by the doctors only. And because of the sir, I've changed so much in my body. First of all, I have a thyroid problem. It's curing. And the second one, because of anesthesia, when I have the plucking of the teeth and they are given anesthesia, so it's damaged the bone here. In Hindi, it calls a Dimak Lagna. And one day I got a fever. So doctor gave me a typhoid tablet. So that also damaged my digestive system. But one day I'm watching about all this, how to cure the thyroid and something. And mainly I'm watching YouTube's, I'm running a nursery, means kindergarten. So there the autistic kids are there. So I'm working on them, how to cure. So in 2010, I asked my faculty, what is the reason beyond this? So she says, not found still. And one day, 5 months before, I got that, I'm seeing that, all the videos, how to cure the autistic kids and how to work on speech therapy. So I saw the YouTube of Kadarwali sir. So from that, 25 days I watched. I didn't start, when I watched, everybody starts now. They watch the video and they start doing. I watched 25 days and make me that positive effect. Now I want to start now this. And I started, and thanks to my husband, Kailash, he is helping me to collect all the grains. Because in my area, I got only 2 grains, that is Samalu and totally polished one, and another one is Koralu. That is good. So I have taken that Java daily, and I have a leukodoma problem from 32 years. From 5 months I started, you can see the change. And my legs also there, it is also. And all the dots are came. And for this, I walked, I think, 21 years I'm taking medicine. And I stopped from 10 years. But these 5 months, it's changed.
Generally, actually I have had cases, the whole body took 2.5 years. Now the whole body is completely normal. So it takes some time. But which can never happen, will happen actually. That's the beauty of this millets.
Yeah. And I want to share one thing about the autistic child. Yeah. I gave this suggestion, sir, whatever giving the suggestion to sir. Sorry. Yeah. So I told the 3 parents to try this one. So from that, they are not accepting to do all this because they want medicine, how the sir says. So one day, one parent came that she's 2.5 only. The doctor is saying that we have to give injections to her and make to anesthesia or something. So after that, we have to take a brain test like that. Because the mother don't know she is autistic problem. Something para-autistic or they are calling. So I said that, she asking me, she's Maharashtrian. She's saying that, एवढं लवकर करायचं बरं असतं का मला वाटत नाही. शी इज अ ग्रॅनी नॉट मदर. सो आय सेड इट्स अप टू यू जस्ट सी. हां बट इट्स गुड इफ डॉक्टर इज सेइंग ट्राय. So she says, no, I don't want to do that one. I will take at least, when she is 3.5, I will try. So I said, okay. Say, I said that, if you want to try something, can I give one suggestion? So she says, why not? Yeah, but you have to believe. Because I can't show the Khatarwali's means videos, because all are in Telugu and English, and she is Maharashtrian. And I think that Telugu speeches are more powerful, because the words are very strong. It sits in our mind. Yeah, that words are fitting in our mind totally. So, and she believed, and I gave her that bananas, banana kashayam. I told her banana kashayam and ravi and whatever. Means so many things, because sir is in front of me, I forgot so many things. Tipatika is not getting. I bought a parijatam and everything. I used to give her every day. In vacation also, she is me with a contact, and she used to ask me, today what I gave to you. Now the 4 days finish. Like that is happening. And I gave a korralu. Yeah. And so after that, in 4 weeks, we saw that the child is giving her eye contact. Yeah.
Actually,
and she is holding a pen
many kids
also.
have passed 10th class with first class marks.
Yeah.
So that protocols help lot of it. In fact, people who had fits every day have completely become all right. They were not even able to speak one word. Now they are actually speaking, and all those good things happen. It's a matter of time.
Okay.
Thank you.
And
In the interest of a time, we want to end the session over here with a thank you to Sri Kanyaka Parmeshwari Temple, the Bombay Arya Vaishya Sangham,
Thank you, sir.
and
Thank
all
you.
of you
Sir,
and
sir.
all my core
Thank you,
volunteers.
thank you.
Thank you for all your efforts.